All right, so guys, we finally, got the frame done. Okay, the welding went great. Everything is back into place, just like Ford made it. All right, just like I said, I'm gonna do this like Ford made it. So the frame was the most important part of the truck, and now the frame is done. So now what we're doing is we're fixing the, as always, the low arm, the upper arm, the shocks and everything. All right, we're fixing that, and we don't have enough wheels. No, the tires were all damaged in the accident. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fix a few of it. We have two, so we're gonna fix it to make sure that everything is straight. Okay, before we wait for the steer rack to show up, then we're gonna spray the frame black. Okay, so you guys gonna see it on the next part of it. So we finally sprayed chassis black. Right, we have it all looking clean and sweet. Right, everything looking good. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna try to we went looking for the steer rack, because we have to put the steer rack before we put the engine, so it will be much more easier for us. So we basically waiting for the steer rack to show up. Once the steer rack is around, then we're gonna put it in there, then we fix the engine, then we'll see what's next. So guys, hope this look good. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, right, and turn on the notification bell so you can always see when we post the next update. All right, so thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for supporting this channel, and we'll keep on building wrecked cars, but before then, until we get this done first. So guys, I appreciate you all.